Hello everyone, welcome. In this episode we will explore the process of implementing tab navigation using AutoRoute package. Let's get started. To implement tab navigation on our app, we will include two tabs, Home and Settings tab. So we only need to create a settings page since we already have Home page. For the settings page, we will define an app bar widget with the title Settings. Additionally, we added a dark mode button that we're going to implement in a future video. Before we can add tab navigation to our router configuration, we need to create a tab nav page that we will handle the tab navigation functionality. Once we have the tab nav page and the settings page ready, we can define the tab nav route. To begin, we need to specify the tab nav as the main component for this route. In this case, the tab nav page will serve as the tab nav component. Next, we should define all the tabs that will be included in the tab nav. For this example, we will have the home and settings page as the available tabs. Let's set the home page as the initial route within the tab nav configuration. Additionally, we should assign a custom name to this route, which we'll later use to reference the tab nav. Previously, after the user completed the onboarding process, we redirect the user to the home page. However, since we have now implemented the tab navigation feature, we need to update the redirection to the tab nav instead. To define our tab nav, we will utilize an enum to assign a unique identifier to each tab. This will make it easier to manage and reference each tab within our code base. In addition to the identifier, we also include a localized title and an icon that will be displayed in the bottom tab navigation. Finally, we can proceed with implementing our tab navigation. First, let's define the routes. That will be Home tab and Settings tab. To handle the tab navigation functionality, we will utilize the AutoTabs Router widget. This widget will display the appropriate page based on the selected tab index. Finally, we need to build our bottom tab navigation widget using the tab nav enum previously defined. In summary, we have successfully implemented tab navigation using AutoRoute package. We added the settings page to our app and updated the route configuration to incorporate tab navigation. This allows us to set the home and settings page as the primary components of our tab navigation system. This is all for this episode. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. So until the next time, bye.